Next concept is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is meant by complementary angles? Complementary angles means the sum of two angles equal to 90 degrees is known as complementary angle to each other. That means the sum of two angles equal to how much? 90 degrees. Mutually, they are complement to each other. For example, the angle number 1 considered as theta. Theta plus A2 equal to 90 degrees. Now angle number 2 equal to how much? 90 minus theta. That means here A1 equal to theta, A2 equal to 90 minus theta. So theta and 90 minus theta, they are mutually complementary angles to each other because their sum equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So what is the complementary angle of theta? 90 minus theta. What is the complementary angle of 90 minus theta? That is theta. Okay. Now we have to apply that concept of complementary angles to trigonometric ratios. How to derive it? Let us consider one right angle triangle like ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Now the sum of another two angles, angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. Because already one angle occupied 90 degrees. The sum of remaining two angles equal to how much? 90 degrees. Because the sum of all angles in a triangle equal to 180. Already one angle considered as 90 degrees. Remaining the angle sum equal to how much? 90 degrees. That means angle A and angle C are here complementary angles to each other. Okay, here angle A, angle C are complementary angles to each other. Okay, let us consider angle A equal to theta. Now angle C equal to how much? Angle C equal to 90 minus theta. So let us consider angle A, B theta, and now angle C equal to how much? 90 minus theta. Because they are considered as complementary angles to each other. Now we have to apply this complementary angles concept to trigonometric ratios. How? I explain one by one. Okay. With respect to angle A, that means with respect to theta, and you write with respect to 90 minus theta. We have to find out sum of the trigonometric ratios with respect to theta, with respect to 90 minus theta. Okay, with respect to theta, okay. Now, first one, sine theta. Sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Here, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. AC. Okay, and second one is cos theta. Cos theta equal to what? Cos theta equal to adjacent side of theta. AB is the adjacent side of theta and hypotenuse. That means AB by AC. And third one is tan theta. Here tan theta equal to opposite side of theta. What is the opposite side of theta? BC by adjacent side of theta A. That means BC by sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, their reciprocals. Their reciprocals. What are they? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. That means AC by BC. And another one is secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. That is AC by A. And another one is tan theta. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. So cot theta equal to AB. by B. Okay, these are the angles with respect to theta. Now, with respect to angles of 90 minus theta. Okay, so first one is with respect to 90 minus theta. First one is sine 90 minus theta. Where is 90 minus theta located? Angle C. Angle C is 90 minus theta. What is sine? Sine means opposite side of 90 minus theta. Where is the opposite side of 90 minus theta? That is AB by hypotenuse is. Hypotenuse is. And second one is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus. What is meant by cos 90 minus theta? Adjacent side of 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side of 90 minus theta? This is 90 minus theta, angle C. Its adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse BC. Okay, with respect to angle C, 90 minus theta. And third one is tan 90 minus theta. What is meant by tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta means opposite side of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is the its opposite side. What is that? AB by adjacent side, that is adjacent side, that is now you write the reciprocals 4, 5 and 6. Okay, cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, that is the reciprocal of sine theta. Okay, cosecant means what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse AC by opposite side A. So AC by A. Next one is secant 90 minus, that is opposite angle of cos. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta equal to BC by AC. Secant 90 minus theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. That means AC by BC. AC by BC. And last and final secant cot 90 minus. Cot 90 minus theta equal to what? That is the reciprocal of tan. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Cot means adjacent side by opposite side. If I here adjacent side is BC, okay, and opposite side is A. The tan means AB by BC, its reciprocal BC by AB. So these are all trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now conclusion. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? Here you observe sin theta BC by AC, cos 90 minus theta also BC by AC. This is the first one, 1 and 1. Sin 90 also BC by AC, cos 90 minus theta also BC by AC. So they are complementary angle to each other. So conclusion, first one, what is that? Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Now second one, here cos theta equal to AB by AC. Here sin 90 minus theta also AB by AC. Second one. So both are equal to each other. Here ratio is AB by AC. This ratio also AB by AC. That means second one, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So they are mutually complementary angles to each other. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Okay. So this is one pair. And the third one. Third one. Tan theta equal to BC by A. And cot 90 minus theta also BC by A. So here tan theta BC by AB. Cot 90 minus theta also BC by A. So tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay. Now Another one is cot theta. Cot theta equal to AB by BC. Fourth one. And tan 90 minus theta also AB by BC. Fourth one. Okay. So cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. So they are mutually complementary angles to each other. What are they? Tan theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. So cot and tan are complementary angles to each other. Okay, next one, fifth one. Cosecant theta equal to AC by BC. And secant 90 minus theta also AC by BC. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. So what is that? Secant 90 minus theta AC by BC. AC by BC. As well as cosecant theta also AC by BC. That means cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. As well as last and final sixth one, secant theta equal to AC by AB and cosecant 90 minus theta also AC by AB. Okay, that means secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Okay, so they are. This is the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles.